Hello everyone! In this video, you're going to learn about must and mustn't. We'll use must and mustn't in sentences, and at the end of the video, there will be a little test for you. All right? Ready, set, go!
Must and mustn't. Remember, mustn't is the same as must not. Listen and repeat. The boy is in the library. He's reading a book. Shh! You must be quiet in a library. You mustn't shout in a library. Let's make sentences. Listen and repeat. You must wash your hands. You mustn't eat in the classroom. Your turn. Make a sentence for each picture. Use must and mustn't.
Now you know how to say what you must do and what you mustn't do. Till next time, goodbye!